So for this problem, to find the variance and the standard deviation of a random variable, so for this given, we're going to solve this problem in a table form. So we have the value for x, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Then for the p of x, so 0 0.6, 0 0.1, 0 0.2, and 0 0.1. Then for this column, so we need to multiply this x and the p of x. So x times the p of x. So multiply these two numbers, 2 times 0 0.6. So we have 2 times 0 0.6, and this is 1.2. Then these two numbers, 4 times 0 0.1, so this is 0 0.4. Then 6 times 0 0.2, this is 1.2. And 8 times 0 0.1, so 0 0.8. Then we need to find the sum of all these numbers. So add all the numbers. So we have 1.2 plus 0 0.4, then plus 1.2, then plus 0 0.8. So the sum is 3.6. Then for this column, so we need to take the square of x. So the square of 2, so this is 2 times 2. This one is 4. Then the square of 4, so this is 4 times 4. That's 16. Then the square of 6, so 6 times 6, this one is 36. Then we have the square of 8, so 8 times 8, this one is 64. Then for the last column, so multiply x squared and the p of x. So this x squared, then the p of x. So multiply these two numbers, 0 0.6 times 4. So we have 0 0.6 times 4. So that's 2.4. Then this 0 0.1 times 16. So this is 1.6. Then 0 0.2 times 36. And this is 7.2. Then this 0 0.1 times 64. So this is 6.4. Then we need to find the sum. So we need to add all the numbers. So we have 2.4, then plus 1.6, then plus 7.2, then plus 6.4. So the sum is 17.6. So since we're done with our table, so we can find now the variance using this formula to solve for the variance. Then substitute now the values. So for this summation of x squared times the p of x, so this is now the value. That's 17.6. Then minus this summation of x times the p of x. So this is now the value. That's 3.6. Then we have this the squared. Then to find now the variance. So this is 17.6, then minus this 3.6, then to the power 2. So the variance is 4.64. Then after getting the variance, so we can find now the standard deviation. And to find the standard deviation, it is just the square root of the variance. So since the variance is 4.64, so therefore to find the standard deviation, so this is the square root of 4.64. So to find now the standard deviation, so we have the square root of 4.64 equals, so the standard deviation is 2.64. 1541.